but it wasn't just out of the blue that I wanted. Okay, so today's assignment, basically you have 3 pages of the book, page 63, 64 and 65. Short reading, then listening and circling some new vocabulary, and then the next thing you will do is you make you complete an exercise in the vocabulary. So the assignment is open for you. Here they are. It's 3 assignments, which looks like a lot, but actually no. It's very short, but it's divided up into 3. So the first one is you go to page 63, you read the reading. Before you do that, follow these instructions, okay? You have to work out the pronunciation by checking the sounds of the word in this dictionary. Then upload your recording of the reading. Next thing, page 64, listening and vocabulary. Here is the listening. You listen, you go to exercise A and circle the correct words, take a picture and upload. Both of these must be completed in class. The final one is completed before midnight. Again, 15-20 minutes maximum amount of work. It's exercise B and C. I've just noticed that I didn't put that. Oh, here it is, B and C. So read again the instructions. It's very simple. Please do all of these exercises. It will be difficult for you and for the lessons on Sunday, and also for the quiz on vocabulary on next Thursday. So please do it now when you have time. Do it before midnight. Do not just pass pictures around. To avoid that, I would like you to take a little bit of the background to your book, wherever it is sitting. Take some background pictures so that you are not sharing answers. Okay, so I'm just going to add that now so that you all can see. Okay, and finally, please read the instructions. Please don't ask me what time does it close, because it's there in the instructions. Also, please don't submit it at 1 minute before midnight. The clock on Blackboard is sometimes a minute, maybe 2, maybe 3 different to our own time. So don't rely on that. Please submit it before 12 o'clock, maybe 15 or 20 minutes before, because if you do it at the very end and if you have a connection problem, something happens, then you have time to fix the issue. Okay, thank you.